This assessment is essentially a way for us to relate the relationship between frequency and energy. And so we'll do this demo together. Hopefully you're doing it at home. Hold your right hand in front of you. It looks like I'm holding my left hand, but the screen is mirrored. This is in fact my right hand. It says move your index finger up and down slowly. And that's meant to represent a low frequency. So thinking of an oscillating wave at this frequency. Now, move it up and down as quickly as possible, oscillating at a higher frequency. Which takes more energy? Oscillating at a higher frequency. Obviously, there's a lot more involved in using energy to do this and this, but it gives us the sense that high frequency is correlated to high energy. And that's a correlation that's going to be helpful as we go through this material.